welcome to Cooking with Kelly. Today we're going to be making easy apple cobbler. I got this recipe off of Pinterest from the Lazy Dish, and you only need 2 main ingredients, and it's very simple and very easy. All you need is the flaky cinnamon rolls by Pillsbury and a can of apple pie filling and topping. A baking pan, of course, and Whipped apple cobbler without vanilla ice cream. So, of course, we want to start off with clean hands. Make sure you wash your hands. I set my oven to 375, and I greased my pan with butter. Alright, so we opening up our cinnamon rolls. Is it just me, but no matter how many times this thing has popped open, it always jumps when it goes boom. Alright, so you want to get your rolls open. I'm going to place that on the plate. At the bottom, when you take out your rolls, you should have some icing that comes with it. And we're going to put that on last after the cinnamon rolls and apple has baked. So next, what you're going to do, move this pan, is cut the rolls into 4 quarters. I think it might be easy if I peel them apart. So I'm separating the cinnamon rolls. All right, so it's 8 altogether. Oops. 8 altogether. And then you're going to cut each cinnamon roll into 4 quarts. Alright, now that I'm finished cutting into 4 slices, we're going to start placing your pieces of cinnamon and spread them throughout the bottom of the pan, just sporadically. Oh, let me show you. So that's how your pieces should look. And I'm just spreading them out. If you can, try to get you a longer pan. That way the cinnamon rolls aren't too bunched up together, but I think it should be fine. But can you turn that down? We'll pause it real quick. Well, I'll just do it. Alright, now that we have our cinnamon rolls placed in the bottom of the pan, onto our filling. So we'll open that up. Once that's open, I'm going to spread the apple filling all over. Ooh, probably need a spoon for this. Okay. Some big chunks. I'm going to take my knife and spread, or a spoon or whatever. Make sure you spread your apple filling out and all over, because they come out pretty clumped together. Alright, when you're done, it should look something like this. We're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven for about 25 minutes, or at least until the cinnamon rolls are cooked thoroughly or brown. Okay, so about after 25 to 30 minutes, this is how it should look like. And took the icing that came I took the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. I put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds because when I took it out, it was pretty solid. And you're just going to take it and drizzle it all over the cobbler. It smells so good. And then it should look like this, and pretty much done and ready to serve. So there you have it, you guys. Nice, easy, 2-ingredient, lazy dish, apple cobbler. Hope you enjoy, and let me know if you try it. Comment and let me know how it tastes or how it was if you tried this recipe. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Love you. Bye.